Hello, good day viewers. You are welcome. Let's see how we're going to solve this problem here. So now the question said x squared minus 50x equals 49 root x. So what's the square root of x minus square root of x? So let's see what we are going to do. I'm going to rewrite this as x squared minus 50x equals 49 root x. So now this minus 50x, I'm going to write it in this form. That is, if I have minus 50x can be expressed as minus x, okay, minus 49x. So therefore I'm going to replace this by this. I'm going to be having x squared minus x minus 49x, which is equals 49 root what? Root x. So now I move on from there. So I'm going to transpose this minus 49x to the right hand side. I'm going to have x squared minus x equals 49 root x plus 49x. So now from there, so I'm going to factorize this. X can be factorized. I have x here into bracket. X squared divided by x will give me x minus x divided by x will give me 1. So we have that, then equals, I'm going to factorize 49 root x outside. And what am I going to have? So if I factorize 49 root x outside, so we know that 49 root x divided by 49 root x. So what are we going to have? So you see, I'm going to take this first, okay, because I'm going to be having root x. What am I saying? If you say 49 root x multiplied by root x, you can see root x times root x will actually give us x, so which is this 49x here. Then for this place it's going to be plus 1. I believe you are getting what I'm doing. So now from there, another thing we are going to do here is I'm going to rewrite this in this form. X can be splitted as root x dot what dot root x. So root x dot root x will give me x. Then also this inside the parentheses I can rewrite it as root x all squared minus 1 all squared equals 49 root x, then into bracket 2x or root x plus 1. Are you following? So now from there, the next thing we are going to do is we are going to have root x dot root x. Then here can be written, this is difference of 2 square. You can have root x minus root x minus 1 rather, root x plus 1, then equals 49 root x multiplied by root x plus 1. So now we move on. So from here you can see that we have something common. You can see that x, we cancel the x here. That means root x, we cancel this root x here. Then root x plus 1, we cancel the root x plus 1 here. So now what do you think we have left? We have root x into bracket root x minus 1 equals 49. So now from there, so what do you think we have left? Now let me try to open this bracket. If I open this bracket, I'm going to be having root x times root x. That will be root x squared minus root x times minus 1. I'm going to be having minus x root x equals, then here this 49 can be written as 7 to the power of 2, right? So from there you can see that this square, we cancel the square root, we have x minus root x equals 7 to the power of 2. So now what am I going to do here? Taking the square root, okay, I'm going to have the square root of x minus root x will be square root of 7 to the power 2. And lastly, you can see that x minus root x we're going to be these two. We cancel this, we have this. So which is what we are actually looking for, right? Because the question said we should find root x minus root x. So, and that is what we have here. So we have root x minus root x to be equals 7. Thank you so much for watching. If you're enjoying this class, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel if you have not done that before. Don't forget to hit on the bell icon so that you'll be notified anytime you upload a new content like this. Bye bye.